Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of December 2021. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, if this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Let's see what's there for my Pisces for the month of December 2021. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's get started with my Pisces reading for the month of December 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, Pisces, December 2021. At the back of the deck, we have the Knight of Cups. Oopsie. Something romantic going on. Things might be, things looking really good around you. But whether it is a temporary happiness or a permanent, that is what we are going to check it out. In the past, we have the Chariot, Two of Wands and Four of Wands. It feels like things there were like ups and downs in your life in the past. You somehow, for many of you, might have traveled, like a good traveling, temporary traveling for marriages, for functions, for family relationships, and family functions. But you were enjoying, but at the same time there is something with the Two of Wands over here which is telling me that you were in the middle of something. You might be making people like this, that I'm so happy, I'm so glad, I'm so happy all the time, but somewhere in, from inside you are not happy. There's something which is making you feel low. Okay, in the present we have Four of Pentacles, Seven of Cups and Ten of Swords. You might be really busy right now because, things might seem really fast around you. Things might be endings, new starts, new endings, all that. There you are in the middle of a lot of things. And for some of you, you might be cutting low with finances. You are, either you are saving a lot, because you need to save, because there are many things where you have to put your money into, so you are saving a lot of money for yourself and for your future prospects. Somebody might be looking for a new job, new opportunities in life, and that is why you are feeling a little low, because you might not be getting one at present, and that is why you are seeking for more. You are giving job interviews, and that is fine. It's kind of looking a life from which everyone goes through. Okay, in the coming future we have the Empress, King of Pentacles and the Hierophant. Wow, seriously, it's a certain level in your life in which there is growth, there is nurturing, growth in your finances. So this is why it is coming, because you know how to save money, you know how to put your money, you have to save your money for something, some big crisis, and you are doing that. You are not wasting time for anything. Things are quite positive, Pisces. This is very, I don't know, but I'm really getting some positive vibes for you today. Tell me about the Knight of Cups for my Pisces. Knight of Cups. Why the Knight of Cups is here? What is the energy of my Pisces at present? Energies. The Fool, Two of Cups and the Star. So for some of you, there are two things. You might be ready for a new beginning with someone. Okay, it is for a new beginning with someone, or a new partnership in a situation of finances, work situation. But this is definitely a new thing. Okay, you might be taking risks in that situation, but it's new. You are happy for that. And at the same time, for some of you, it's a person who is coming back. Some kind of reconciliation is also happening at the same time. So you are going through two things at one time. Okay, so that is the reason you might be a little skeptical about the situation. You might be really thinking, okay, whom to choose, where to go. We'll clarify now why the Chariot energy is there in the past. Why the Chariot is here. 9 of Wands, 3 of Cups, and the Hanged Man. Blockages, I feel some kind of blockages into something, but this blockage was there, from your heart. I see that there are blockages coming up from your heart because of somebody. There was a block energy of a person. They might have blocked you, or you might have blocked them, and that is why you were feeling a little low, I feel. But at the same time, you were happy. See, you were showing that the people that you are happy, you are enjoying, you don't care about anything. Wow, you were putting up a mask on your face actually. Okay, so 2 of Wands energy for my Pisces. Why the 2 of Wands is here? Chariot, Queen of Wands, and the Moon. Okay, so things were going really off the track for you. Things were hidden, Pisces. It's your energy, the Moon energy. Either you were playing a bit hideous in nature, or there's somebody else. Might be dealing with a Leo or a Cancer. You might be dealing with someone like that. And you didn't know what is going on because you were not able to get, you were getting an intuition. You were. But at the same time, you were not able to guess like whether is your intuition right or wrong, because that intuition might be a very big one, something which might change your life. If that thing appeared in real life, that might change your life to a certain level. 4 of Wands, 5 of Cups, 10 of Swords, and 3 of Swords. Oh my god. So this is what you were going through while showing your face like a happy person, happy-go-lucky, and this is what you were going through. Deception, heartbreak, negative feelings inside you. For some of you, it could be a bad marriage, or a marriage which just, you broke, and you are just trying to get all your broken pieces together, and you were trying to make yourself a little better. And because of that, some of you are dealing with money, some of you are dealing with finances, because of all the endings which came all of a sudden. And this is the reason you might be looking for a new job or something. 7 of Cups for my Pisces, please. 2 of Swords, Ace of Wands, and 7 of Swords. Yeah. You are looking for more than one job. You might be ready for doing night shifts as well. For some of you, you are in a state where you have seen the deception, you have seen lies and trickeries, but at the same time, you have to put your pieces together, and you have to work, you have to go on, you have to just cannot think about the past energies anymore, and you have to move away from this bad energy. 10 of Swords energy, why is it here? King of Wands, Tower, and Page of Pentacles. There might be a child also involved in this situation, and you might have moved on with a child without finances. This could be a very tragic moment in your life, a sudden change which is going on, and you have to keep up with that. You have to be positive. You are making yourself, you are strengthening yourself, you are giving yourself that strength. Okay, so why the love energies are here? I really want to see your overall energy again, with Knight of Cups, 2 of Cups, Star, and Fool. Why are they here? 3 cards more. Ace of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and 8 of Cups. Okay, I feel that the situation in which you are right now, You are dealing with money, finances you are dealing with, but somewhere a friend can be, it can be a friend, it can be an ex who is trying to connect with you, who is trying to talk to you about, helping you, because they might have known your situation at present, and they would like to give a hand, not just love energies, but yes, a hand of help, helping hand kind of thing. But I think that you are saying no because you feel that things might start again with them. But at the same time, you also have that kind of rush in you that, okay, this person might be the one again, because I have gone through a lot of stuff in the past, and now it's for me, it's time to be a little happy. So you are saying goodbye to the past bad energies, and you are welcoming a new future in front of you. Because with the Empress, I see you growing within yourself, nurturing. See how beautiful this lady is. It's like, that aura, that energy from which comes from within. Empress energy, please. Why is it here? Three of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Temperance. Wow. So you are learning peace and you are learning mental peace from the past. Whatever the situation was, you are learning from that, and you are healing. You are going towards, because you want to balance your mind and your heart. This is what you are going through. Okay, you want to balance, and you are balancing in the near future, because past energies were quite tough for you, my dear Pisces, but the future energies are looking amazing for you. The partnerships, the money problems also are coming towards something, because it has come up with the Sun energy. So this definitely means that there is a new day which is coming up for you. After every night it comes day, so it's the time for you to be happy. Money issues are getting resolved. They are getting, might be a little slow, okay, but they are getting resolved. With the King of Pentacles also, you might be getting some help from someone in terms of finances, so don't worry. Empress, Emperor, and Six of Wands. See, the victories are coming towards you. See, the victories could be temporary in nature. It does not has to be something like, you have gone to a situation like, okay, I got permanent victory. No, it's more about small victories, one thing at a time, one day at a time. So Rome was not built in a day, so all your worries cannot go in just one moment. It will go one by one. So yes, so you are actually achieving one thing, one situation, one victory at a time, and you are getting towards that, and this is building up your confidence level in the coming future. The Hierophant, Seven of Wands, Page of Wands, and Nine of Swords. See, you are fighting with your own that sadness. See, you are this person, but at the same time you are fighting from that bad energies. You are fighting yourself. It's not other people who are coming. Other people might just help you for a moment, but it's your energies which are coping up with that, and you are going towards something good. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Pisces. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.